In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, go to the top left corner and click the Compose button to open a new message window. Now locate the emails in your inbox that you want to attach. Click the check boxes next to the specific emails you want to include. After selecting them, click and hold, then drag and drop those emails directly into the body of your Compose window. You'll notice that the emails will appear as attachments at the bottom of your message, usually in a .eml file format. This means they've been successfully added. If you want to attach an email while replying to an existing conversation, open the email thread first and click reply. Then look for the small arrow icon next to the send options and click it. From there, select Pop Out Reply to open the reply in a separate window. Once the reply is popped out, go back to your inbox, select the emails you want to attach using the checkboxes, and drag them into the popped out reply window. Again, confirm that the emails appear as attachments at the bottom of your message. When everything looks good, click the Send button to deliver your email with the attached messages. Attaching emails this way is often better than simply forwarding them because it keeps the original message details intact, including headers and formatting. This makes it more useful for sharing accurate information, especially for support or documentation purposes. And that's how you can attach an email to another email in Gmail. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.